Right. Where are we, Beth? Can you remember?
Seaton.
Seaton.
Seaton. It's had a nice breakfast.
We have.
Very nice breakfast. And now look, I've got a big forehead.
Oh.
The wind's blowing.
Yeah.
Yes, a very nice breakfast. Now full. We need to walk it off.
Yeah. Yeah, we've just had breakfast and watched people do a park run.
Yeah.
So they've run 5k for us.
I'm very proud of them. They give me some motivation just to walk.
I'll do a bit of video when we get down to the van, show where we were. It's a nice little freebie. I paid for 2 hours this morning. And then we're going to go off to... I can't remember. I'll have to look it up.
He's comatose with the carbs.
Yeah, early morning carbs. I don't normally do carbs in the morning. I don't normally do carbs at all, but I've had a big breakfast this morning. Not quite sure how the body's going to react.
He definitely will have red eyes. Come on, neighbour. It's sinking, yeah?
It's a sink. Sink's alright. Oh, chili cheeseburger. That's a challenge.
So these feet are made for walkers.
I just like that. No, that's open or not.
I should be allowed.
I think the water will be cold whatever time of year you
Yeah,
get
I know,
it.
but I mean, like I'm coming out to the bright sunshine.
Yeah, true. Could do with the sun coming out a little bit.
Yeah.
A bit cloudy. Vincent, in all his glory. You right?
She's still pointing the gate.
Been out since 9 o'clock.
Minute or...
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, codgers. I'm starting to hit my age at 61. I'll be sitting here looking out at the sea on a bench.
We could have your name put on this when you die.
Have it somewhere a little bit more close, I suppose.
The sun's out over there, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, it's beautiful over there.
Yeah. And down there.
Sorry, you can go to Devon and you can go around the corner. If it's different, right?
Yeah, true.
Winning road. Help me, Pops.
Oh, hang on.
Help!
Come on.
I'm sorry. One spot. Good move.
You got what? I mean, that's a steep old hill, isn't it? I'm trying to get the van up that. Mind you, we did just drive the van up that, which actually is small potatoes compared to that.
Yeah. That's steep up there.
It is. Nice cabins up there, though. I wonder how much.
It's a lovely place for like Norfolk.
Yeah.
I know it's a long way to come.
You want to get on the path, baby. You like to get run over going that way.
This would have been an ideal thing for it.
Yeah, there's certainly plenty to do, but a lot of it's extra, isn't it?
Yeah. They still got the swimming pool was free. You didn't have to push it over all the time.
No, true. We are.
I mean, look at the walks they got.
Yeah. Cofton Holiday Park.
And they've got evening entertainment.
Yes. I'm sure we'll have a proper rundown later when we know.
Huh?
When we know where things are. Nice little playground.
Chalet.
Chalets. Some nice chalets. Got the posh ones up there, overlooking everything. Then we've got an outdoor pool.
Treetop adventure.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Which it's overlooked by the bar and the restaurant. I spy with my little eye. Something beginning with
Tea.
tribute.
My husband is happy.
Tribute brollies. Oh no. It worse than Sophie. Got something in my shoe. I've got something in my shoe. Tribute brollies. It's a good sign. Morning.
Good
Sure about
morning.
that. Going for a swim this morning.
Sun has got its hat on. And so is Richard.
Is that right? Yes. Yeah, well, I've got to even run the right way. Oh yeah, I have. Alright, we're going to try the swimming pool out today. And
Haven't swum for a long while.
steam room
And sauna.
and sauna. So it should be interesting. Seagull. Even the animals are hiding away. Do you want to go on the zip wire? Do you want to go on the zip wire?
Yeah. There's only seems to be that area though, not a lot.
Yeah.
That would be bigger.
I don't know, it's high enough though, isn't it?
No, I don't want to do more.
Like when we were
There's
doing
one
that
up
with
there.
Harry and Tom.
Yeah, I remember we went to Monkey World, didn't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, or whatever it was.
Go ape.
Ape, that's it.
Monkey World. There's Planet of the Apes.
Yeah.
Nice shot for the tree,
Oh
isn't it?
wow, look at that. Anyone there?
Whose idea was this?
Yours?
Oh yeah. Beth's hugging a tree.
The tree gets rid of all your...
That must be up.
So I just ain't got the right shoes on.
Yeah. I don't got shoes. I've got no socks on. Wrong shoes. Right. Where are the stingers, Sophie? Right. We've come out to
Wherever.
more hills. I thought this was the top. Hills are alive.
With the sound of
music.
Yes, Mr. Richard.
Cofton Holiday Park, I want to say.
Yeah, definitely.
What do we think?
5 out of 5.
5 out of 5.
Yeah, very good. It's got a bit of everything for everybody, children, grandmas, granddads, and us really old people.
Oh, we're not classing us as grandma and granddads?
No, young
Oh, you mean
granddads.
pensioners?
Yeah,
oh,
pensioners. Ha, I'm not a pensioner yet till I get to 67. I still have a little way to go. And I haven't got my bus pass.
Oh, bless you. Right, so let's put to one side that it's £65 a night.
Yes.
And you still have to buy electric. So you don't, for your 65 quid, you don't.
If it's raining.
What do you get?
Yeah, I suppose you don't get a lot.
You got the free swimming pool.
Free swimming pool.
The outdoor pool is all in.
Children's entertainment, which I think is very good for the children. And there is extras for children, but I think there's also some that come free with the price that you pay.
Yeah.
I mean, the indoor pool is lush.
Yeah, indoor pool's an extra £4.50.
It's nice and warm.
Per adult, and you've got steam room, sauna, which is very nice.
If you don't pay the sauna. Not sure I'll find that one out.
But yeah, for a couple of days it was nice.
Yeah. I mean, a nice long weekend. I think it's definitely
I don't think
doable.
I could cope with a week in there.
No. If you like a bit of tranquility.
But saying that,
commercial.
Yeah.
But 3 days with your grandchildren, got everything that they want.
Yeah.
But you needed a good bank balance.
Yeah, that's true.
But it's going rate for most things, which I think prices are fairly reasonable. Some of the beer's a little bit expensive.
The tribute was £5.50.
Oh, so it's not too bad. Yeah.
The cheap one was their own, although it's St Austell Brewery, it's their Cofton Ale or whatever, which was £4.95.
But if you've got the weather,
nice.
You don't really need to spend a lot of money because the kids are happy. Yeah. Just playing in the pool.
Yeah, leaping in and out of the pool all day in the sunshine.
Yeah, but unfortunately, if it is bad weather, you're going to get time slots on your swimming. Yeah.
And extra play times with Digby the dinosaur.
Yeah, Digby.
Which is always a bonus. Another thing, for 65 quid, I would have expected my pitch to be flat.
Yeah, and a little bit of electric thrown in.
Which it wasn't, and obviously the electric. I mean, to be fair, we had to put £10 on an account.
And I think, do get your money back.
Yesterday I think we used £1.
Wow. Those prices were at home.
Yeah, so and when you're done, you can get that, whatever you don't use refunded. So it's no biggie, but for that price, I was
considering it's only £1 so far.
Yeah,
you'd think it would be thrown in the price.
But which considering
shop could be done with a little bit more variety unless you have to go out on and off. It all depends what you're catering for or not catering for.
Yeah, because there's not much.
There wasn't much fresh food there, like meat. Not a big choice. Very basic.
But they have got a pizza kitchen, fish and chips, which we had fish and chips, which was outstanding.
Yeah.
The fish was lush, freshly cooked. The chips were incredible.
Carvery was amazing.
And we've just had a massive carvery, which is why we go for a walk. It was huge. You reckon that was 15 quid?
Yeah, about 15.95.
Yeah. But, it was lovely. Oh, I can spin you around because we can just about see the river. There we go. Might we see it through the trees. The river, I'm going to assume X. E-X-E. With Rex. And next to an Exmouth. Then we'll definitely walk back along the road. Right, the pub should just be on the left hand side. Oh, tribute, proper job. Oh dear.
One of each.
Hello mate, can I have a proper job please? What would you like?
I'm going to have fancy.
had one. Top of where we are.
Oh, we went out of that.
We went up that way. And the back of...
Yeah, we went further down.
That's the fish and chip shop.
Oh, yeah.
So we went back the back of the club
bit, didn't we?
and the shops. There's some nice little tents here, look.
Yeah, there's glamping around here somewhere.
I mean, these lodges are nice as well.
Yeah, same as what we had when...
Yeah. Yeah.
Tackle shop, you want some tackle?
I've got plenty of tackle, thank you. I've got enough.
You definitely have.
Enough tackle for now. Chip shop. What time is the chip shop open?
4 o'clock, I think.
Not that I'm hungry.
Yeah, you want some fish and chips now?
No. Honestly, I couldn't eat a thing. Tackle shop.
Huh?
Fishing.
On?
I don't know. Who does fishing nowadays? I don't know. I certainly don't. Oh, chip shop's open now. Here we go. There's a Cofton chippy.
Yeah, gone 4 o'clock, right? 4 till 10.
Oh, yeah. I couldn't eat a thing right now, though. Where's that little church gone? Oh, it's behind the apple tree. It's quite Swiss sort of vibe, isn't it?
Yeah.
With the church and the trees like that.
Do we go back for your 4 beers at the thing?
Well,
or do you want them like that?
I've got a taste for tribute, if I'm honest.
Oh, go on then. Well, yeah, I know. When you worked at Liverpool, on the mixed league, what did you do? Half the day? Yeah, 20 So then, and so all the extras and when she did, and she was just
like and subscribe, Popsy.